Prompt engineering. When AI gives vague or off-target answers, the issue often lies in the prompt, not the model. Prompt engineering is the skill of giving clear, structured instructions to guide AI responses. Prompts can take different forms. A single short prompt gives one clear instruction, such as summarize diabetes in 100 words. A few short prompt includes examples to show structure or tone. A chain of thought prompt encourages the model to reason step by step, while a role-based prompt assigns a persona, such as you are a hand surgeon explaining carpal tunnel syndrome. Good prompts shape precision. In education, they can produce lesson outlines. In engineering, safety checklists. And in healthcare, true patient-friendly explanations. The prompt is your steering wheel. The clearer the direction, the smoother the output.